Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to add stickers and quizzes on Instagram. First of all, you click on the Instagram app. Below, you'll be provided with 5 icons. You click on the last icon that has your profile picture, and then you click the plus sign above. Here you click on story, which is the third icon, and then you can add your photo, and you click on the sticker icon, which is the second one. And for you to add stickers, you can just search here for the sticker you'd like, let's say a dance. Then you can add using emojis or GIFs. You can use this. So you can expand using 2 fingers and reduce using 2 fingers. So to add quizzes, you click on the sticker icon again, and then you click on poll. Then you can say, am I happy? You can change this to yes, I am, and no, I am not. Click on done, and there you have it, a sticker and a quiz. After posting, you can click on the third icon that looks like an arrow facing the right, and then you can share to your story or to your close friends or to their DMs. Click on share. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.